What is the role of academics in language transmission in terms of Yiddish? And should it take a privileged space apart from other languages? How should we treat Yiddish?
Well, I think it's clear that as the number of native Yiddish speakers is diminishing, and as the settings where Yiddish as a spoken language is diminishing, aside from the Hasidic world, that it's increasingly important in the academic settings to teach Yiddish and to expose students to Yiddish. That's increasingly where students come to encounter Yiddish. I definitely support that, and I've volunteered. I'll probably be doing this next semester, basically on a volunteer basis, teaching a Yiddish language tutorial for students if they're interested, because I feel like if they have that interest to learn some Yiddish, I want them to have the opportunity. So I guess I would say I have a personal commitment beyond, to Yiddish beyond, just another academic subject.